чего же приятно повернулись события.
Наконец-то, достойный соперник. Наше сражение станет легендарным.
Fly back there and tell them the real Dragon Warrior is coming home.
I was striking suave, ambitious feet too.
Jaw, so strong and handsome.
Now I'm violent.
I am villainous,
ambitious. Oh, and malicious. I had it all. Kung Fu. Women too. I was tall, over 7'2". Then they got
Puffy Panda
to fill my shoe. That's why I am so evil. Why I do what I do.
Kung Fu Master.
So strong and vital.
A Chinese idol.
Who said that about me?
Animal.
Have you rotisseried? I was looking
Of martial arts.
the envy of all the other fellas. Then I was pushed out for a
Puffy Panda
and they call I'm insidious. Oh, I'm hideous.
Jaguar.
Snow leopard.
Animal.
Yes, that bit's true. I'm
Ari.
a freak with a
Sharp claws. An animal.
murderer. You think you're better than me? I never heard of you. I'm evil. I'll fill your cheese balls with weevils. I
Pea.
on people and I blame it on.
Harpies.
It was him.
He's a nasty cat.
I'm invincible.
He's nasty.
I'm unmincible. I'm unwashable. Unrinsable. Like an abandoned school, I have no principle. All of you.
Jungle animals.
All 18 million.
Animals.
I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to make you. Shut up now. Shut up! It's just me. I will make you ugly too. Did you hear how dramatic that was with the end?